We are here at Stoltz Road Elementary helping transform the classroom of one of our brand new teachers for the 1920 school year.
Do you realize how much money that teachers have to spend out of their own pockets for supplies, especially brand new teachers? We're putting up bulletin boards, we're moving and taking away things, and we're just here to help and support and serve.
It's so awesome that this prize was offered. I was super excited when I won. I remember I was telling my teammates that were sitting next to me, like, I hope I win, I hope I win. And so when they called my name, I was so excited, and it's better than I even imagined, honestly. Like, it's so much help. I think it's great to win like a prize, like a gift card, but this has also just been so amazing in even a bigger way because I'm getting a perspective of teachers that have experience and getting to see their kind faces and feeling part of the RISD family even just from the very beginning. So it's been super awesome.